My name is Mutsa Mhoya. I live in Rua. The piece I have before me is called Chinu Chamafuta. This is an important piece in the African culture. It belongs to the new bride, which she comes along with her when she gets married to her new husband. The oils inside are very important because it's what she uses to bond and strengthen the relationship between her.
My name is Kadzungura. I live in Ziwara Seko Extension in Harare, where I lived with one of our first generation artists, Damian Manoa, who taught me how to sculpt. I used to head cattle when I was in the rural areas. So I love this animal. It's a heifer. A heifer is a very important beast in the rural area, in our Shona culture, where it is presented to the in-laws so that it represents the honor and also the sort of thanking the in-laws for raising up the girl child. So it's a very big honor in our Shona culture. This is not supposed to be slaughtered when it doesn't have a calf. It only can be slaughtered when it have a calf, and then the son-in-law is called and slaughter the cow, the heifer. It will be now a cow now, and then the whole family will come and enjoy the meat. This is the important part of the calf, the heifer. So I love it. I started working on softer stones, but now I'm working on these hard stones, and they come out very beautiful. Especially when on the hard one, like the red jasper, which is very important to me nowadays because it is a challenge to work on a very hard stone. Now I enjoy working on it.
I'm a sculptor based in Kwekwe. This is called Thinking of You. This is the title of my piece. This is a woman. This woman, her husband has gone for some months, and she's the one who is now taking care of her kids. So she's looking for food, school fees for her kids, and she's paying alone rent. So she's thinking about her husband. If he was there, she was going to have a better life. One-stop shop.